Here's your ultimate list for all the cashback promos for your credit cards this December 2025 hanggang January 2026. Syempre, lahat to na sa Kaskasan Buddies mobile app. First up definitely will be your Union Bank credit card. Unlock up to 20,000 EGCs siya. Guys, ito yung pinakamalaki na pwede mo maklaim. For Union Bank, you will have to register. Makukuha mo siya via SMS and register that via the giveaway portal nila. Meron siyang dalawang baseline at saka booster siya. For baseline, you can get up to 2,500 EGC. Pero may booster siya dito na spend. When you spend up to 500,000 pesos, you can get 17,500 pesos EGCs naman. So if you add these two, 20,000 pesos EGC ang pwede mo makuha. Then you also have BPI. For BPI MasterCard, up to 10,000 pesos naman siya. For BPI, you have to register first before all of your spending. Kasi kung hindi ka mag-register first, hindi qualified yon. Then up to 5,000 pesos makuha mo with a minimum spend of 300,000 pesos. And then you also have the BPI Visa, 10,000 pesos rin, up to 10,000 pesos pwede mo makuha na EGCs. For the Visa card naman yan, dito po siya. For 100,000 to 300,000 pesos spend, 1.5 ang makukuha mong EGC. 300,000 pesos up, 5,000 pesos naman ang makukuha mong EGC. And yes, kailangan mo rin mag-register sa BPI. Via text lang naman yan, kailangan mo mag-register before you do the spend. Now, for Metrobank naman, you can get a chance of 1 million pesos cashback. Pero meron siyang spend requirement rin naman dito with guaranteed cashback. So, if you spend 50,000 pesos, you get 1,000 pesos. 120,000 pesos, 3,000 cashback na makukuha mo. And then may raffle entries ka for every 2,000 pesos single receipt spend. And ito po, yung chance mo pwede mo makuha yung 1 million na cashback. Si Security Bank, meron rin po siya. Up to 15,000 pesos EGC naman siya. But it depends on your card. So, depending on your card, ito yung minimum accumulated spend mo. Meaning na accumulated spend, guys, pwedeng tingi-tingi yan, ha? And then, ito naman yung cashback makukuha mo. For the World MasterCard, 500,000 pesos spend, 15,000 pesos naman yung makukuha mo. For the other cards, syempre, it depends na. So, yung sa mga Wave, 40,000 pesos spend, 1,000 makukuha mo. RCBC naman, you can get 8,000 pesos cash rebate, pero for installment purchases lang yan. Depending on your installment purchase, kung 200,000 pesos and up siya, 4,000 yung maximum na makukuha mong rebate. And then, syempre, nandito rin si PNB, up to 6,300 pesos rebate rin siya. For PNB naman, guys, ito po yung accumulated spend mo and then the cashback value is here. And syempre, hindi rin magpapahuli si BDO here. Up to 7,500 pesos siya. And guys, almost all your BDO credit cards are qualified here. And if you have multiple credit cards sa BDO, each of that can get 7,500 cashback basta ma-meet mo yung spend requirement. And yes, kailangan mo makuha yung ID or promo code and register via the BDO website bago ka makakuha ng cashback na mga rebates na to. So guys, all of this is in the Kaskasan Buddies mobile app. Nandiyan po yung sheet. Nandito rin po siya sa cashback button. So download it now. And of course, spend wisely. Kung hindi mo kailangan mag-spend, don't spend it para lang sa cashback.